For this recipe, you'll need raw cashews, water, lemon juice, nutritional yeast, turmeric, garlic powder, salt, vegan cheddar cheese, elbow pasta, panko breadcrumbs, melted vegan butter, and smoked paprika. All the measurements are on screen and below. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius or gas mark 4. Grease a medium-sized baking dish. Soften the cashews by covering them in boiling water for 5 minutes. Drain the cashews and place in a blender. Add the cashews, water, lemon juice, nutritional yeast, turmeric, garlic powder, salt, and shredded cheese. Blend until smooth. Cook the pasta according to the instructions on the packet and add the stock cube to the water. Drain the pasta. Place the pasta into the baking dish and then add the sauce. Mix together the breadcrumbs, melted vegan butter, and smoked paprika in a small bowl until crumbly and moist. Sprinkle the breadcrumb mixture onto the pasta and bake uncovered for 15 minutes.
Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and just before you go, let me tell you about some things that I do that might be useful for you. Watch my TV series on Amazon Prime. I have a 3-part series on Amazon Prime called Kirly-sue's Global Kitchen, which features some delicious vegan recipes, and it's filmed on location in London and also in Jamaica. Get a copy of my kids' cookbook. I have a vegan cookbook for kids and parents which won the Wise Woman Award. It has easy to follow recipes you can make for your children. Now, vegan cooking for children is easier than you think. In my book, you will find simple and easy to follow recipes using ingredients that are easy to find and are probably already in your kitchen cupboard. I have a vegan cookbook on Amazon called Kirly-sue's Sweet Treats. Many people ask, what kind of desserts can vegans have? They seem not to be able to think beyond fruit salad. As lovely as fruit salad is, there are many more options, and vegan desserts can be real culinary delights. In my book, I've put together a selection of recipes for sweet treats that are easy, tasty, and fun to make, including cookies, cakes, and smoothies, as well as desserts that range from fresh and healthy to deliciously decadent. Brand deals and collaborations. I've worked with many brands over the years, and I'm always happy to consider more. I love doing collaborations with different brands and helping them to promote their product, and anything that is suitable for vegans or is a sustainable product, please reach out to me. My email is in the description box below. Bookings for film and TV. I have been working in television since I was 7 years old, and I love doing television. I have appeared on film and TV many times. I am a member of the British Actors Equity Association, and I'm also on Spotlight. If you'd like to see the link to my Spotlight so you get details of my agent, if you want to book me for film or television, click the link in the description below. I do cooking courses, one-off classes, and also a number of classes across a number of weeks, and I do that for many different groups: corporate, schools, colleges, different kinds of groups, religious groups, any kind of group of people who want to learn to cook vegan food. I'm more than happy to do a course for you or a one-off class. If you're interested in booking me, please see the email in the description box below. I'll be more than happy to discuss with you. I have a number of different books on Amazon. I have a range of different recipe journals, and I also have a meal planner on there as well. Links are in the description below. Go and have a look. And finally, follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, LinkedIn, you name it, I'm there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See you next time. Bye.